Hi, I'm Nadia Macleod from RP Emery Legal Kits. There are 2 steps to obtaining a binding financial agreement: putting the agreement together and obtaining the mandatory legal advice. Our financial agreement kits have been designed to make the process of drafting your agreement as simple as possible. The documents are easy to understand and you can quickly complete your agreement using the sample contracts and the plain English user's guide. Like most of our customers, you'll be surprised at how easy it actually is. Once you've completed your draft, our legal review service will ensure that your agreement meets the requirements of the Family Law Act for a fraction of the usual cost. We have negotiated a set flat fee for RP Emery customers with family law experts located in law firms around Australia. There's no need to go to a lawyer's office. The legal review service is conducted over the phone and by email and should only take about 14 working days from start to finish. As part of the service, your lawyer will examine your financial agreement for legal compliance. They will also provide specific legal advice as required by law regarding the effect of the agreement on your rights and the advantages and disadvantages of signing the agreement. So that's it. A quick explanation of the 2 simple steps to obtaining a legally binding financial agreement. To get started, purchase and download your financial agreement kit today.